All right, I'm the flatratemaster. Today we're talking about the Launch C-Reader 3008. So, typical scan tool, it's got IM, so it's going to check all your monitors. No DTCs, no pending DTCs, and all monitors passed. Go back. You can go diagnose, read fault codes, you know, most typical stuff. Again, you can graph items. You know, single stream graph. Car's not running, so I don't have any, changes in data. So we'll go back. On this particular car, evap system test is not supported, but on some cars it is. We're right now on an Audi, by the way. You've got your onboard monitors. Check for misfires if supported. Again, depends on the manufacturer. Now, one thing I kind of do like on this one is this battery spot. You can see with the engine off, we're at 11.6. It will show you live voltage on cranking and running to allow you to do a very quick old school battery test. Because if it drops below 6 volts on cranking, it's going to need a battery, or it's going to need to be recharged, but it's going to need a battery more than likely. And if you're not charging at sufficient voltage, you know you've got a charging system problem. Quick little handy test, especially if you're dealing with low voltage codes. Pretty cool little scanner. If you like it, check out my Wednesday's video. See if you can win this. Nice little scan tool. Watch Wednesday's video. You might be able to win it. And as always, thanks for watching. I am the Flat Rate Master.